So easy, a kid can do it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. We're talking upgrades today. We've got another unboxing video to do. If you guys are new to the channel, this channel helps you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. Again, we're talking upgrades today for wheel cleaning. It's getting to be fall and we're about to switch the summer tires over to the winter tires. So we've got to get those tires and wheels clean. And I think this product is probably a good addition to your garage to help do that. Let's get started. Thanks again for watching, guys. Again, today's video is all about this upgrade to my garage. It is a new wheel and tire cleaning product. It basically has two rollers on it or three rollers on it that you set the tire and wheel on, and then you can rotate it, and so it's much easier to clean. So three-part video today. We're gonna unbox this first. We're gonna get to the installation and assembly portion of this product. And then we're also going to try it out on my old Audi winter wheels to see, how well it helps clean and if it's a good value for your money to add it to your garage. So let's get started right with the unboxing here. So saw this on Instagram and really liked the potential savings and ease of this product to help clean the wheels when they're off the car. So in Wisconsin, we usually have a set of summer tires and a set of winter tires. Tires are the only four things on your entire car that touch the road, so you obviously want to have the right tires for the right season. So that is why we do a lot of swapping. So twice a year, we're swapping over the tires and wheel package to get the most effective tires for the season. So I'm hoping that this product will help with the cleaning of it. So here is one of the rollers. It's got this non-marring surface on here, bearings on each end, but this should help with the tire cleaning process. So should be fairly easy. Got our bill of materials here, parts included in the assembly process. So we've got that. We'll take the other parts out here. Larger rollers. So these ones are likely for the base of the product. Get out of here. These ones are likely for the base of the product, and then this smaller one actually goes up onto the edge of the product so you can actually lean the wheel against it. So then it's basically just powder coated square tubing to put it together. Ooh, aluminum, I believe, or maybe steel. That's pretty lightweight. I think this is aluminum. So this is one of the uprights. Out of there. Slide this down. Full hardware package here. Additional components. Aluminum angle. More aluminum angle. Interesting slot in that hole. Not exactly the cleanest, but that is all right, as long as it functions okay. More bubble wrap. And let's see. That is it. That is all that is in the box. So, lots of hardware to go along with this, but should be a fairly easy install with everything. I did not get the casters for this, so there is a caster version that you can get, but I did not end up going with that version. Oh, nice, you get little plugs for the ends of all of the tubing. So Fairly simple kit, square tubing, angle iron, aluminum, and a bunch of hardware and 3 rollers to help with the car. We'll take a look at the instructions here for the assembly portion of the video, and we'll jump to that right now.
What's going on, guys? All right, we've got the Source Garage Cycloneshine wheel cleaner assembled here. We've got my Nokian Hakkapeliitta tires on the NK wheels, and we've got our Ammo NYC Plum wheel cleaner, and I've got my detailing kit over here with the Brute and Boost wheel soap in there. So I'm going to take that inside. We're going to put some hot water in it since it is a little chilly outside. Got the pressure washer set up, and then we are going to test this thing out. So again, I got the very base model. I did not get the casters, and I did not get the little lever to stop the wheel from rotating. So this is the budget version of the Cycloneshine wheel cleaner, and we're going to take you guys through it and see how it works. I'll tell you what I like about it and don't like about it, but let's get to it. All right, guys, so this thing is pretty easy to use. Pick up the tire, set it on top, and then the back of the tire rests against this upper roller, and the bottom one is on those rollers. So you can literally move this thing with one finger and get it to spin. So I really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pressure washer, I'm going to wash it off first, and then we'll spray it down with some Ammo Plum. Then I've got the bucket with the Brute wheel soap in there, and I'll give it a good wash down, and then we'll just kind of repeat that on all the tires. We'll see how it goes. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I have 2 wheels done sitting over there. I probably need to clay bar the wheels. The Brute soap is doing a good job getting the surface stuff off, but man, there is some deep grime on these barrels here from the winter and just the salt and everything. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the barrels on the inside of them, there's some deep dirt and grime. But overall, they're starting out looking like this and doing really well. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. So just a few quick notes on it. For the most part, I don't think you need the little lever to stop the wheel unless you're doing some extreme polishing on them or something like that. But I would say that this thing definitely makes working on the wheels a whole lot easier. Just spinning them, whether it's soaping them up or spraying them off, it definitely makes things easier. So the casters on the bottom, I didn't go with that option, so you do have to pick it up from the T-handle here. But I don't think that's the biggest deal. It's very sturdy on the concrete, and honestly, I'm gonna pull this thing out just every once in a while, since most of the time I'm gonna be washing the wheels on the car. This is probably gonna be call it 3 to 4 times a year thing, where we're switching summers to winters or winters to summer tires, and we're cleaning them up. So still really impressed with it. Makes it a heck of a lot easier to work on the wheels. So I'm gonna keep going here, get these next 2 wheels done, and it's doing a great job and saving a lot on my back, just sitting on the griot stool and rolling around to clean these tires. So let's get back to it, and we'll finish this up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Cycloneshine wheel cleaner. Next video, we are going to do an update on the garage design, and we will do some general massing of where the garage is going to go right here. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.